Hey guys, so I want to cook the biggest mushrooms ever. Have you ever seen a mushroom this big? So nitachukua hii. Sasa huku watu wanakulanga hizi sana. Nataka hiyo kubwa, hizi kubwa. Yeah, so from my previous video you saw I got these mushrooms from Yala County in Kenya. Yes, they are most popular in Namibia, but we also have them in our western part of the country. So the process is just to definitely thoroughly wash so that it can be clean, and then you remove these black parts that are looking dark and blackish. So let's clean them, then cut them up and cook them just like how you cook your regular mushrooms. I can't wait to taste them. This is a new delicacy for me. I hope you'll also be amazed because you've never seen such a thing. So let's get amazed together. So these ones have been washed. This is the stalk. This is one of the stalks. So the next thing remaining after this is just to cut them up. They became like this because of the washing. This is the inner part. This is the mushroom gills. Then this is the top part. So the next step is just to cut them up into small pieces and then cook them. So this is the final result for our mushrooms. I did two types. This is the fleshy part of the mushroom, that is the mushroom head and the gill part. This is what we made from that. Then this is the stemmy part of the mushroom, the stem, that neck of the mushroom. After the head, there is that neck or stem that we made these from that. So here I used green onions, some garlic and ginger. Here I just used the red onions, some garlic and ginger, and some spices. So I made a very simple recipe just to preserve them, especially that was my main idea, to preserve. Then I could eat them up as slowly as I can, or I could use them to add to different dishes. Like I love mushrooms in pizzas, so it's one thing that I would want to try with these termite mushrooms. And also mushroom and chicken, or some creamy mushroom soup or sauce or something of the sort. So I'm just going to see how I'll use them after this, but you can have them the way they are at this point. They are actually very yummy. I actually think I'll have some with some rice for dinner. And yeah, that's how simple the biggest mushrooms are made. And these are called termite mushrooms. They're mostly referred to as that just because they grow in the foresty areas where the termites are mostly. So I'm glad I discovered this new recipe, and I hope if you try them, if you just come across them anywhere, be sure to buy them and try them out. So the mushrooms actually taste just like normal mushrooms, but they almost give a chicken flavor on your mouth. I think it's the spices that I use, but also the feel. It feels like chicken in your mouth. It even looks like meat. Someone can just think this is meat and have it as much as you can. But yes, that's the taste. They taste just like normal mushrooms. They're soft in the mouth and they're comparable to chicken. Yes, so that's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I think I'll see you on the next video. Please do not forget to subscribe to our channel and give a like if you enjoyed this video. Bye.